Welcome. If you want to chat with friends and family on WhatsApp, you need to let the app access your contacts. Without this permission, WhatsApp can't display your contacts' names or sync new numbers you add. Let's walk through the updated steps to allow contact access on WhatsApp. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you can manage all your app permissions in one place. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps or App Management. The exact name might vary depending on your phone brand, but it's usually easy to spot. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list until you find WhatsApp. You can also use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of apps. Once you spot WhatsApp, tap on it to open the app's info page. On this page, look for the option called Permissions. This is where you control what WhatsApp can access on your phone, including your contacts, camera, and more. Tap on Permissions to continue. Inside Permissions, you'll see a list of features. Find Contacts and tap on it. You'll be given a few choices, like Allow or Deny. Make sure to select Allow. This gives WhatsApp permission to read your contact list, so you can see everyone's names and quickly start new chats. After you've allowed contact access, you can return to WhatsApp. If you don't see your contacts right away, try refreshing the app or restarting your phone. Now WhatsApp should display all your saved contacts, making it easier to connect with the people you know. That's it. You've successfully enabled contact access for WhatsApp. This simple update ensures you never miss a message from friends, family, or colleagues. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and adjust the permission as needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy seamless messaging on WhatsApp.